Maybe we can optimize his clothing. I'm gonna go to modifiers here, add a modifier, something called decimate. Where is it? It's right here. Subtract the amount of polygons, reduce the amount of faces. That kind of seems fine there. Short as well. Add modifier, decimate. Now the actual body, we're going to do the same thing too. And this time we're gonna call it animated guy 2. I'm gonna import the other character, see if that makes any difference. Choose model and red hat guy. Okay, scan for missing animations. Now it didn't make any difference with the clothing, but we do definitely have less polygons. Let me change the rotation here to 90 degrees. Oh, not that side, I forgot. Wow, I have terrible memory. Okay, let's rotate this 90 degrees as well. And I meant to scale this uniformly. Hold shift. Let me go minus 90. Okay. Press preview. There is our character there. Now if you had a behavior to this, let me how do you add behaviors? I forgot. Double click on it. Behaviors. Let's make this a platform character. And if you press play, you will notice that now it has gravity, just like any other 2D character. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to create another object, maybe a 3D box. Okay, it has no doesn't have any textures now. So if you double click on this, you can create a texture. Let me make some ground here. Green grass. So what you can do is you can copy this image like so, paste it, paste something, some update, that will be a thing. Now you can double click on this and also make this a platform object, as in like you can jump on it. Okay, there you go. There's our character. He can move on this object here. So with D we can simulate pressing right. Okay, and that's how you can make animations, bring them into Gdevelop, and be able to use your animations. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye now.